The axles both ends extrusion machine is the core equipment of this manufacturing process. Greatly improve the axle production efficiency. Improve the reliability and stability of the product. Optimize the product's manufacturing process. Reduces the forging process of the axle from the original dozens to only 12. Line speed increased from 5 minutes to 2 minutes, bringing significant economic value to customers. Let's have a comprehensive understanding of the optimized extrusion process. Cut high-quality seamless steel pipe to suitable length. Transmit the tube to fixed position of induction heating furnace by intelligent chain system. After induction heating both ends of the steel tube. To achieve the purpose of increasing the wall thickness of the tube by axles both ends extrusion machine. Transmit tube after the steel tube, which partly thickened by the intelligent stepping transfer beam. Transmit to alignment and clamping location of axles, both ends extrusion machine. Three extruding processes forged the steel tube into a round axle blank. After extrusion, the axle's blank will be extruded into a square shaft blank by a square pushing machine. The die heavy independently researched and designed axles both ends extrusion machine adopted advanced processes and mature technologies. The technical reached the international leading level, according customer feedback and authoritative department testing records. Advanced tooling design, reliable and stable process, makes the material utilization rate 20% higher than that of traditional welding processes. Endow the product's stronger mechanical properties. Maximum yield tests life reaches 1 million times. It is twice of traditional weld process axles yield tests life.